Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the electric dipole. First of all, we will discuss what is electric dipole. An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite point charges. Equal and opposite point charges separated by short distance. That means, look at the figure here, two charges I have considered here, one is minus q, another is plus q. That means equal and opposite charges, but they are separated by a small distance, and distance we have considered 2a. So if this is the midpoint between these two charges, then if we draw a perpendicular line, this line will be called as equatorial line, and with respect to this midpoint, the distance between minus q and midpoint is a, and plus q and midpoint is again a. So total distance is 2a. So we have taken distance 2a because in future, for further calculation and all, with respect to the midpoint, the expression will come in terms of a. That is why we have taken the total distance between minus q and plus q is 2a, but this distance is very small, because as per the condition of the dipole, electric dipole, both the point charges will be separated by short distance. So this is the concept of electric dipole. Now here certain points are associated with the dipole. Number one, here look at this, note the total charge of the dipole is 0. Yes, of course, because minus q and plus q, so total charge of the system, if we consider it as a system, it is 0. But the field of the electric dipole is not 0. Field will be existing due to the minus q charge as well as plus q charge. So field is not 0, but the total charge of the dipole may be 0. Now if the separation distance means this 2a, separation distance between 2 point charges, if this distance is 2a, if the separation distance, suppose we have taken a new separation distance where this separation distance is greater than 2a, if we consider this distance is r, new distance r, and which is greater than 2a, then what will happen? Then it will not be considered as dipole, because in this particular case, then the dipole will not fulfill its condition. The condition is what? It should be separated by a short distance. If the separation is large, if the new distance greater than 2a, then what will happen? The field due to plus q and minus q nearly cancel out, because for the large distance, if the distance is more, the field will cancel out. And another concept is that, look at this, here one arrow mark is given and this direction is minus q to plus q. This is what? The direction of dipole moment. Dipole moment is expressed in terms of p, and it's a vector quantity. That means it is having a direction. That direction is what? Minus to plus. But what is the dipole moment? Dipole moment is the magnitude of any charge. That means here minus q is there, plus q is there. Magnitude of any one charge is what? Q, only q, and the distance between them. The distance is what? 2a. So dipole moment is what? Product of any charge into the distance between them. This is the dipole moment, and its direction is minus to plus. This is the direction of dipole moment. And unit is what? Unit of the dipole moment is what? charge into distance. So charge unit is what? Coulomb, and distance unit is what? Meter. So the unit of the dipole moment is, P means dipole moment is Coulomb into meter. Thank you. Bye bye.